This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about fry scoops, specifically this Met Lux stainless steel fry scoop with handle. It's made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel for a lovely, durable tool. It's got this great wide scoop on it that makes it easy to collect fries, but also to do things like finish them. If you want to toss them in things like some salt, sea salt, spices, or seasoning, this is going to be useful for helping to distribute that. And then it's also going to be great for collecting them, and then you just slide them down into that funnel, making it easy to load into pockets, pouches, and cups. It's got a great, easy to grip plastic handle that's going to make it cool to the touch and easy to handle and hold even when your fries are hot. It's going to help to speed up the filling of orders, to use for things like fries, chips, popcorns, pretzels, and a wide variety of other foods. It's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup, and perfect for any place that serves French fries like quick service restaurants, food trucks, kiosks, burger joints, diners, and more.